Good morning, YouTube. I want to make a quick video to give you guys an update on my installations of the electric running board, retractable electric running board that I started last weekend. So the installation is done, and it turns out pretty nice. Works pretty well. Let me just show you real quick, and then I'll give you some in and out of this install and what the challenges are that you might be facing if you decide to take this on your own. So it's all buttoned up and installed. This is how it looked retracted on the driver's side. It looks pretty nice, not protruding out much, and looks like it comes with the car. So as soon as you open the door, it's gonna retract, extend it so that you can get into the car. Pretty sturdy, solid. It's full aluminum. This step bar right here, and if you close the door, then it's gonna retract. Okay, and this works the same on both sides. And both front and rear door as well. So that was the front door, and here's the rear door. If you open up the rear door, it's going to do the same. Retract it and fold it back in when you close the door. Walk around to the other side. Same thing here. Open, close. Okay, so it's works out pretty nice. So there's two challenges with this job. If you want to attempt to do this yourself, I wanted to give you guys a heads up. The first most difficult part is to find the correct CAN bus wires, the high and low CAN bus wires in the vehicle, so that you can tap your signal wires into so that it can tell the controller when the doors are open or closed. I try to tap into 3 different CAN bus that I thought was CAN bus, but they weren't, so it wasn't working. And finally, the driver's seat. So the controller, the seat controller underneath the driver's seat, that's where the correct CAN bus signals are. CAN bus signals typically you would be able to recognize them because they're typically twisted pairs. So if you have like a pair of wires that are twisted, typically those are CAN bus. Okay. And the second most difficult part of this install would be to find a correct spot underneath the car chassis to drill hole so that you can feed the cable for the motors inside the cabin and attach it to the controller. So that you got to find the right spot. You don't want to be drilling into an electrical bundle, wire bundle, or a controller box somewhere. So you got to find a spot. And typically, when you go underneath the car, there's several spots that you can identify and drill a small hole first. Poke a coat hanger through it and make sure there's no obstruction on the other side, and then drill it all the way through and feed your motor wires through that way. Okay, so good luck if you want to take this job on by yourself, and if you have any questions, just put your question down in the comment below, and I'll review them, and I'll answer your question to the best of my knowledge. Until next time, YouTube.